Hello, my lovely YouTube subscribers. So recently you probably have seen all of the special effects makeup videos that I've been posting. So actually, recently I have collaborated with Online Makeup Academy and I have been taking special effects makeup courses. Now, these courses have been a lot of fun, and this video is my honest opinion of my classes so far. At this point in time, I am just about 85% done with the classes, which you can see right there. I'm about 85% done, so I have not received my certificate yet, but let me get into this review and tell you a little bit more about it. So this was my teacher here, Crystal Fair. She's the one that is teaching the special effects makeup course, and she has about 10 years of experience doing makeup. Now, she is a great teacher, and she explains things extremely well for people who maybe they don't fully and totally know how to go and do special effects makeup, or also to people that have a good amount of experience, kind of like myself. Online Makeup Academy is an accredited school, which you can see all of the accreditation information right here. They also do have a physical location that is over in New York. There are a lot of classes and courses that are actually offered here. It's not just the special effects course, which that is the one that I did take. They have the Master Makeup Program, Advanced Makeup Course, Elite Career Path, Special Effects Makeup Course, which is the one I'm taking, Pro Hairstyling Course, and also Zoom classes. You can also schedule a tour and learn more about here as well. But let's go into some of the different programs that are offered here. So we'll go to the Advanced Makeup. There's a little bit of information here. You can go and play a video, learn the techniques, and here's also a plus which comes with the special effects makeup course as well. You can get pro cards and discounts after you've completed the course and you've gotten your certificate to all of these awesome brands. There are also certain classes too, which I will go to the ones that do offer makeup kits. Here are two of the courses that do offer a makeup kit. That would be the Career Elite Path. That one has a makeup kit, level 1, level 2, plus a makeup kit. The special effects course does also have a makeup kit, which let's click on there and see some of the things that are offered in this makeup kit. Here's some of the things that are offered in this makeup kit, and also too, Online Makeup Academy was kind enough to go and send me this really cool gift box here that had some of the items that I would need to go and complete this course. So let's dive into the special effects makeup course, which is the course that I am taking. I am 85% done with it. And here are some of the different modules that are here. You have the general introduction, you have injuries, illness, fake tattoos, hair and nails, bald cap, prosthetics, aging, character, and then you have your final checklist. So a lot of what I did was I went through all of the videos here, which you can see that they're all marked. And then what I did is I went back and I looped back and did some of the homework. Here are actually some of the entries that I did. This one is me wearing a bald cap. And this one is me with a mustache on. The bald cap was, of course, for the bald cap homework assignment that was here, and for the course that was there. There was also two nails and hair, hair and nails, which was module 5, and that was where I went and put a beard on myself. And something that is actually really cool as well too is there are bonus classes that are here, like the Essential Makeup Nude Look. There's a whole bunch of different videos that are there, plus a special offer, and also two bonus pro hairstyling course sneak peek. So I have not completed this course yet, but I'm getting pretty close to it. I also did notice too that when I'm doing these homework assignments, they do take a good amount of time. It's not traditional makeup. There's a lot that goes into these special effects makeup looks, and especially too going back and reviewing all of the different footage that was from here that really is into a lot of detail, which I do appreciate. It's like being in a classroom, but also too, I don't feel any of the stress on going to have to maybe write down things. I can always go back, because another feature too is I do have lifetime access to all of these different courses or classes that I've gone through, and I'm able to go back and listen to things again, which is really helpful. Plus also too, there's no deadline on any of the homework assignments. I was able to go through all of the videos, which I really did appreciate because I kind of got hooked on them. It was really interesting to see how the makeup was applied, and plus also the technique of the teacher and what exactly she does for applying the prosthetics and applying all of the makeup. It was really interesting to see another person go and explain it. But it's really great. I can go back, do the homework assignments after I've watched everything, which I'm slowly going back right now, and I have completed a couple of the homework assignments, at least turned them in. And here's some of the review that I received on some of the homework assignments that I went and submitted. So I will admit, she does bring up a very good point. The fake cut that I did, which, there it is. Here's the feedback that she has.
So I do like the cut, the shape and the direction, and the fact that the points are nice and pointy kind of in the end, and of course the texture around the cut, as well as the colors in the middle, but I would probably add a little bit more even darker color in the center just to create the illusion of even deeper cut. Otherwise, great job here as well.
I definitely could have added a little bit more shadow in there, plus also too, I could have added a little bit more inflammation, made it a little bit better. Here's also some feedback on the mustache that I did, which you saw earlier, which I will put up as well.
Then moving on to the next module, which is beard and broken nail. So the beard application looks amazing. You've done such a great job. I really like the placement of the hairs. The only thing, maybe I would bring it a slightly bit higher, like right in this area, but I definitely like that you created the mustache by yourself, and great application, as well as the blend with the beard too. Very nice work.
She really liked the mustache, and also too, yeah, I could have built up the sides a bit more, but putting the lip here, I didn't have a lace or anything like that to go and put it on, so I just put the hairs on and kind of stuck them onto my face. But I love the format of how I received the feedback, and it's so important with all of these different makeups and also all of these different looks to go and get good feedback, good information on what you can improve. Plus also too, I can go and resubmit these assignments if I really wanted to, and I can get more feedback. Plus also too, I can put all of this into my portfolio, and I really do appreciate just receiving a video on what I did good and what I can improve on. So let's talk about the pro cards and discounts. These you get after you've completed the course, along with also after you go and get your certificate. These cards are provided to you, and these get you 40% off of certain special effects, makeup brand, makeups, cosmetics, everything like that. Honestly, that is a dream because special effects makeup can be so expensive. It also says the brands here that it goes and applies to, but special effects makeup can be really expensive, and when you're starting off and building out your kit for everything that you're going to be doing, you need certain makeups, you need certain things, and that discount really honestly helps, and that's going to save you a lot of money in the long run, which is something that I am extremely excited about when I go and finish up this course and get my certificate. Here's an example of what a certificate looks like. It'll be emailed to you, along with also too, after you provide them with your address, then you'll go and get an actual copy of it mailed to you, which is really cool. It has their stamp seal. It also has the registered accreditation number, which would be listed there for that. So it is an accredited actual factual certificate that you do get from completing this course, which is also something that I'm really excited about because this is going to separate you and also would separate myself from a lot of the other people that are doing makeup and also in the industry. It means that you're trained, it means that you've taken courses, and it means that you know what you're doing. For anyone that is interested in going and taking the special effects makeup course, there is a code right here that was provided me from Online Makeup Academy for $100 off any of the makeup courses, including the special effects makeup course, or any of them that you'd want to go and take. It is also in the description as well. If you are thinking that you want to go and get into makeup, but don't really know where to go and start, this might be a great school for you to go to, along with also go and attend classes. Plus also too, it's accredited and you will get a certificate and also pro cards, which are extremely exciting at the end. They may fluctuate and be a little bit different for each and every one of the courses. I know the pro cards that are for the special effects course are definitely the makeups that I'm going to be going and getting, and I'm really excited to go and get those. And again, thank you so much Online Makeup Academy for collaborating with me. It has been a blast so far. I will be making an update video once I get my certificate. And also too, I'll be making probably an update video on the haul of different makeup supplies that I go and get with the pro cards once I get my certificate. But take care everyone, have a great one, take it easy, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for listening to my review of Online Makeup Academy. Have a great one all. Until next time, bye!